friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain day DAX function. What is day DAX function? Okay, it's generate day in the form of integer as per given column data. Okay, I'm already entered some data manually. Okay, now I'm click new column. Next I'm type here day. Okay, once you read this, returns a number from 1 to 31 representing the day of the month. Okay, now I enter. Next I'm adding particular table name and column name. Next close this package. See, now you can see this. It's automatically showing dates. Okay, second date, October 2nd date, November 2nd date, October 2nd date, October 2nd. Okay, please subscribe our channel Lakshmi Skills. Thank you friends. Bye all.